Today, we're doing something a little weird. We're gonna try to find, so if you look here, we're in Space Engine, and I'm turned off the entire HUD. We're not gonna end stream until I find Earth with no HUD from outside the Milky Way. I wanna see if my space knowledge is good enough for this, okay? This could take either 15 minutes or several hours. The stream better be 10 hours. Yeah, I'm worried, but also, I feel like it might not be as hard as I think. That's near impossible. Well, we're gonna find out. So what I'm gonna do to start is just like spin it, and then we'll get started.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Yeah, that's probably not spinning. So here's the Milky Way. We're starting out here. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 15 minutes to find Earth. Here's the Milky Way. I gotta think about what I know. I know that it's not in the center. I'm pretty sure it's on the outer edge somewhere, like part of an arm. So I'm hoping the goal is gonna be to find a nebula or some constellation that I know of. And I'm not even gonna be able to click on it to see what it's called. Oh boy, this is gonna be rough. This is what I was thinking to try to find it. Find a nebula or something that I've seen before, and then try to find the right angle where it lines up with like pictures from Earth. And then I know it's in the right direction, kind of, you know? So let's just go to the bright spots. Oh, like here we go. This is the Carina Nebula, or the, what's it called? Grand Nebula? Carina Nebula?
You do know you are trying to look for a singular planet around one star of 100 billion stars in that galaxy.
I know, but I live on Earth, so I should know how to get there. This is a good test, because if you're ever lost in space, you need to know how to get to Earth. I think if I find the Orion Nebula, because then I know what Orion's supposed to look like. Is this it? No, that is definitely not it. Star cluster. That... Have I seen this before? I don't think so. I've never seen this either. Watch this clutch move. This star right here is the sun. That one. That one right there. Let me rotate it. This is the sun, right? No, it's definitely not. I'm pretty sure the sun is somewhere on the edge. So if I've seen this nebula before, I'm guessing it's around there somewhere. But the problem is the sun is not a bright star. I got this. This one. Okay, well, it's not blue. We know it's not blue, so we can rule out all the blue stars. Okay, we got 10 minutes for the believers. I got this, don't even worry. Carina Nebula here. I know Earth is probably in this circle, okay? So now let's just go to all 1 million stars in that circle. This one's Earth. This one's the sun. Could you imagine?
If you can find the Centauri system, you can find ours.
Yeah, but then I'd have to find the Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri system. That's the closest star to Earth.
You need to stay close to the Carina Nebula. We're not that far from it.
That's what I'm thinking. But the problem is, even if we're not that far, look how many stars there are. Try to find the Pleiades, open cluster, and get close enough to the sun. Yeah, okay, the Pleiades is a blue star cluster kind of thing. Is this it? No. Is this it? No. Oh no, this is gonna be hard. This. Not it?
Find Earth, duh.
Oh, okay, thanks. Am I allowed to... Okay, maybe not yet, but eventually we could pull this up so I can just click on stars and open the planet menu. But not yet, not yet. We'll give it a minute. Let's start over. We're out here in the Milky Way, right? To find Earth, you're gonna go to the Carina Nebula, and then it's around here.
Hi Spaceship, this is my first stream.
I'm sorry this is your first stream. This is just gonna be me struggling for a while. What is this? Whoa! Okay, that looks cool. Is this real? Chat, is this real? Oh, Cook to see chat. Oh yeah, guys. This rock, I recognize it. I've been here. I just gotta figure out how to get home. Orion Nebula, where are you? Let's fly to all the nebulas till we find the Orion Nebula. That's not it, is it? It's hard because I'm so used to seeing each like nebula from a specific angle, from the angle you would see it from Earth. So if the angle's off, I might not even realize that I found it. This really shows how big the freaking Milky Way is, dude. That's the Eagle Nebula, is it? If we know it's 7,500 light years from Carina Nebula, which is here. This is the Carina Nebula. I am 98% sure. If I'm wrong, then that would be terrible. You can't do this. There's no way. Okay, I'm going to prove everybody wrong. The Milky Way is what? 100,000 light years across. I have no idea. That's a guess. And if we're trying to go 7,000 light years away, here, or here, or here.
All you have to do is say you like Pluto and then everyone will go towards you to be angry at you. So just find where they're coming from and boom Earth.
Not worth it. I'd rather die out in space than say that. I know Earth is on the edge because when you look into the Milky Way in the night sky, you're looking into the Milky Way. So my guess is in this circle. We're gonna fly into an area I think it could be in, and then we're gonna look for constellations that I can recognize. That's Orion Nebula, right? I think this might be the Orion Nebula. Yes, that's the Orion. At what point am I allowed to look up pictures of stuff? So like, if you think about it, I could look for the constellation Orion, but from Earth, they all look like they're next to each other, but in real life, they are not. I know that Orion Nebula is part of the constellation Orion. So if I can line up the stars in the correct way, like are these three Orion's belt? Because if so, like this? This one, this one, this one could be Orion's belt. We could look for Betelgeuse. Is this Betelgeuse here? If I had the HUD, I could just click on a star and it would tell me the name of it. Pretty sure Betelgeuse has no planets. Okay, that was not where I meant to go. Don't lose where I was. Wait, this angle looks good, guys. Look at this. That sort of looks like how it looks from Earth. So let's zoom out this way. Let's assume that's Betelgeuse because that's like a really bright star. And Betelgeuse is the top left of the Orion constellation. So if we position it... And look, there's the Pleiades, guys. Okay, wait. We're cooking. This is close. That's the Pleiades right there. And the Pleiades is next to Orion. Okay. This strat's working. Look, guys, we're getting Orion. You can see Orion here, right? You can see my vision. Guys, can I look up a picture of the Orion Nebula? Or of the Orion constellation? 1 hour mark for pictures. Well, wait, at 1 hour we can pull up pictures. Oh my gosh, that's a lot closer already. That looks like Orion. But there's still so many stars right here. I need it to be perfect.
You suck.
Oh, okay.
You don't suck.
Thank you, Hostile. Try to look for other landmarks. I don't know what else to look for. Orion it's probably the most visible constellation, like from Earth.
The center of Milky Way should be almost opposite the Orion constellation in the sky. The Little Dipper will be 90 degrees adjacent.
And that's making me think we need to go more into the Milky Way. Directly opposite in the sky from the center. So we're getting there. And look, there's Andromeda. Did I just lose it though? Uh-oh, boys. Guys, I think I lost it. I haven't moved at all. I'm just zooming in and out. Dude. No. I just lost it, dude. Let's find the Carina Nebula again.
This is fine.
Which is this, right? Yep. And then the Orion Nebula was somewhere around here. That's the Pleiades, though. We're back on track, kind of. If we can find... The Orion Nebula is this, calling it. I don't think that's actually it. Did I lose the Pleiades now? Dude, this is so hard, actually.
Look for the Crab Nebula. It is only 10 light years from Earth.
I don't know what the nebulas look like. Pleiades is here. That's the Pleiades, I'm pretty sure. That's Orion. Yeah. Horsehead, guys, horsehead. That's horsehead, right? That's a horse's head. That's what I see. The angle is not looking great. Directly opposite in the sky from the center. So we need to fly this way. And where's Betelgeuse?
Did you try looking for a planet next to it like Mars or Venus?
Yeah.
Earth is near Mars.
That's not helpful. Okay, we're kind of back to how we were earlier. Low-key, I'm just gonna I'll try a little bit, but I kind of just want to wait till the hour mark so that I can look up a picture and try to line it up really well. And then what I think we should do is line it up and then look for a different constellation and that's in a different direction. Because if they're both lined up, that means we're really, really close. That's the strat, I think. If you were lost in space in real life, you'd have pictures of constellations. So I don't feel like that's cheating. All right, line it up with this picture. So the 3 stars, the belt is very, very flat. And the nebula is kind of in that position. So that pinkish star in the top middle, that's Betelgeuse, which I believe is this star. This gives us extra stars that I would not have been able to position without this. Okay, we're gonna assume this star here is the other star, the top right shoulder, which if so, means we gotta be down more. All right, that kind of looks right. What's the feet? Are these the feet? This has to be one of the feet. I think we need to be down. Uh-oh. Okay, I thought I lost it. How is this lining up? How does it, Yeah, y'all have this much faith? What was the prediction? Will he need to use HUD to find Earth? 97 think no. That's the last resort. That looks like that 3rd star that's supposed to be part of the belt, kind of. This is Betelgeuse, I think. At what point can I use the HUD? Not full HUD, but just to know, like click on an object and it tells me the name of it. At what point can we do that? Okay, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna turn on this HUD to be able to click. Is this Betelgeuse? It is. See, Betelgeuse is here, which is that pinkish star in the photo, the top left of his body. Helpful. Star in the bottom right is Rigel, which is this one. Star in the bottom left is Scythe. That one. Okay, we're getting there, but we need to be more this way to have the angle with the nebula. Because that star that I'm pointing at is the very bottom star in the picture. So that's got to be more down, which means we got to look at it from a higher angle up. Because that's the bottom. Sorry about the lag, guys. Okay, what just happened? I just ruined my entire setup, didn't I?
The sun can be seen from Betelgeuse.
A billion stars can be seen from Betelgeuse, bruh. Turn on constellations and find the star in the middle. Can we turn on constellations? It would help lining up a lot. Let's do that. That seems like the next step to make it a little easier. Okay, I think it's literally just pointing us to Earth. I'll take it. The sun will be in a spot where all of these line up. This one. Guys, star, solar system. We did it. Okay, having the constellations on was kind of cheating because just look, if you're out in the Milky Way, right? And you kind of know where to fly, all of the constellation lines are pointing you right into the center where Earth is. It's on that star right there. That's the sun. We did it. Only took everything. Okay, I want to look up how to find Earth in the universe. No map, just stars. Let's see if we can use this video to learn how to do it. Whoa, he's showing you how to do it from the largest galaxy? Ain't no way, dude. That's crazy. Okay, we're just trying to find from the Milky Way. That's crazy he goes from that far. Scan the outer disk for the Carina Nebula. Yeah, that's what we did. So what do you do once you find the Carina Nebula? Back up into the spiral arm on the side of it and enter it kind of like that. So there's the Carina Nebula and we're flying into this dust cloud here. Now we need to find Orion's belt. Okay, so we had the right idea. Turn slightly to the left and look for the Pleiades. Yeah, we found that too. We're close. Dude, I actually kind of got close. Angle left and look for a less obvious star cluster. Moving side to side can help reveal it. Okay, we're looking for that. These are the Hyades, the closest star cluster to Earth. Okay. See, I wouldn't have been able to do this without any help. Fly straight through them and find this bright orange star. This is Aldebaran in the constellation Taurus. This is Sirius. Okay. Oh, one is Alpha Centauri, which means that's the sun. Okay, so Carina Nebula. Fly into this and look for the Orion Nebula. We need to get to the Pleiades. Once we do that, which we've done before, so I don't think it'll be too bad. I may be lost, but we found Orion before. We could do it again. Don't panic, because it's right here. That's not it. Orion. 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 Well, uh-oh. So, Carina Nebula. And he flies in this direction, looking for Orion. It's gotta be like one of these, right? This is so stupid because I literally found it with no help, and now that I've watched the video, I can't find it. Oh my gosh! I don't know how I'm so lost, because I actually had it. Like, I literally have been at the Pleiades before. Am I going into the wrong side, maybe? Oh yeah, I think I was. And then fly in this way. Betelgeuse right here. Nope. There's Orion, right there. Go to the Pleiades, which is here. Is this, or is it this one? No, that's Percy. Percy. Wait. Pleiades is, this is hard. This is hard.
And you call yourself a space YouTuber SMH.
Okay, Hostile Frost. Let's see you do it. Got it. Pleiades here. Okay, the problem is it's been so long since the video that don't really remember what to do here. So he came in flying from Orion to the Pleiades, and then look for some sort of, wait, up a little bit. It was some sort of cluster to the left, I believe. I think this way. Is Sirius? No.
To find the sun, you have to look in the Milky Way galaxy.
Yeah, I'm in the Milky Way. Polaris. That's the North Star. Can we line it up somehow?
If you find the Andromeda galaxy, you can find the Milky Way.
Bro,
because
you
it is
guys are
right
not
next to it,
helpful.
And Earth.
All right, we're gonna go back to the video, I think. Look for the Pleiades. Fly there. Hang a left and look for a less obvious star cluster. That. Hang a left and look for a less obvious star cluster. What is the video on? Where is it? I have no idea what star cluster is being talked about. I literally have it pulled up on my second screen to try to orient and it looks nothing like it.
What is worse, this or the 24-hour stream?
I mean, this freaking sucks. I'm doing my best. Yeah, find the Pleiades, hang a left. Right here, this is it. Hyades, there it is. That's what he says. Fly straight through them. Find a bright orange star, Aldebaran. Right here. Find this bright star behind it. So we're looking for Sirius, which is right behind here. Sirius. And then when you fly up to Sirius, there's two small stars. That's not it. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. We did it. We didn't need help. We had a GPS, but we didn't just search for Earth. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. That's insanely hard. With zero help, I think it's impossible. It took 1 hour, 57 minutes to find it without cheating. I did have help. It's like having someone help me.
He's literally just doing side-by-side comparisons now of a step-by-step tutorial.
Hey, it's like when you have the GPS and you're driving, you know? And the screen's always there telling you where to go, but it's 3D, so it's even harder than that. If you think it's so easy, let's see some of you try it. Thank you all for coming today. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Come to the Twitch to see this stuff live. Thank you for watching.